Have you ever wondered if everything you learned about exercise after all these years is completely wrong? The idea that you need to sweat or walk miles to keep your heart healthy might actually be a lie that is sabotaging your energy. Today, you're going to discover something that will revolutionize everything you thought you knew about movement in your best years. There's a secret doctors are starting to share with their most special patients. 5 simple moves most people have never even heard of. And the burning question is, what happens to your body when you perform these moves for just 2 weeks? If you're over 55 years old and feel like your body isn't what it used to be, if your legs feel heavy if you get tired more easily, or if you've simply lost that spark of energy you once had, stop everything you're doing. In the next few minutes, you'll learn something that can completely change how you feel tomorrow morning. Let's start with a revelation that may shock you. Do you know that heavy feeling in your legs after sitting for a long time, or that swelling in your feet at the end of the day? That's not just aging. It's your second heart crying for help. Yes, you read that right. You have a second heart, and it's located in your calves. With every move of your feet, those muscles act like a powerful pump, pushing blood from your legs back to your main heart. When this second heart stops working properly, that's when problems begin. But here's what no one tells you. You can reactivate your second heart right now, sitting exactly where you are. Want to see how? Exercise number 1, the second heart activator. Without leaving your chair, place your feet flat on the ground and lift only your heels, keeping your toes pressed into the floor. Feel your calves contract. Hold for 2 seconds and lower. Now do the opposite. Lift your toes while keeping your heels down. Congratulations! You just activated your second heart. Do you feel that tingling in your legs? That's blood flowing back again. It's your body saying thank you. Do this 10 times and you'll already feel the difference. But wait, this is just the beginning. Science has uncovered something even more surprising about a simple hand movement. Studies show that an exercise you can do with a tennis ball has the power to naturally lower blood pressure. It's like having natural medicine in your own hands. But it's not just any squeeze. There's a secret to the technique. Exercise number 2, the natural pressure regulator. Grab a ball, tennis ball, stress ball, or even a rolled up towel. Now squeeze with moderate force, not maximum, just enough to feel your muscles working. And here's the secret. Keep breathing normally. Never hold your breath. Maintain the squeeze for a few seconds, then release. Alternate hands. You can do this while watching TV, talking on the phone, or relaxing on the couch. In just a few days, many people notice a real difference in their blood pressure. But before we continue, are you feeling all ready? Do your legs feel lighter? This is how your body responds when you give it what it really needs. Smart movement, not punishing movement. Now, let's move on to something that strengthens the most important muscles for your independence. Exercise number 3, the independence builder. The muscles at the front of your thighs are the ones that decide if you'll be able to stand up from a chair on your own in the coming years. The good news? You can strengthen them without leaving your seat. Sit up straight. Extend one leg in front of you until the knee is straight. You don't need to lift it high. The key is fully extending it. Feel your thigh working. Hold for 3 seconds and slowly lower. Now switch legs. Each time you do this, you're investing in your future freedom. It's the difference between needing help for everything or keeping your independence. And now I'll show you a powerful upgrade to this move. Exercise number 4, the endurance builder. Instead of just lifting and lowering, now you'll hold the leg extended for longer. Extend one leg and pause. Keep it straight and count. 1, 2, 3. Feel how your muscle is working differently now. You're building endurance, stability. It's like every second is a brick, building the strength you'll need tomorrow, next week, next year. And now, the final exercise, the one that ties it all together and gives that special boost to your posture and breathing. Exercise number 5, the chest opener. Stand about an arm's length from a wall. Place your palms on the wall at chest height. Now bend your elbows, bringing your chest toward the wall like a standing push-up. Then push back. Feel how this opens your chest, how your breathing deepens. Good posture isn't just about looking good. It's about getting oxygen to your organs more efficiently. It's about energy flowing through your body. Now, let me confess something. These 5 simple moves we just did together have more power to transform your energy and vitality than an hour of force walking. And do you know why? Because they work with your body, not against it. Here's the truth no one wants to tell you. After 55 years old, your body doesn't need punishment. It needs smart care. It needs movement that boosts circulation, strengthens the right muscles, and awakens that energy that sometimes feels asleep. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. You don't need to run marathons or lift huge weights. You just need to give your body the right movement at the right pace with the right frequency. And the best part? You can start today, right now. No waiting until Monday, no expensive equipment. No need to go outside on a rainy day. Just imagine how you'll feel in 2 weeks of doing these moves daily. Lighter legs, standing up from a chair with ease, that feeling that your body is alive and responsive again. But here's the final secret. Consistency always beats intensity. It's better to do these moves for 5 minutes every day than a long session once a week. Start today. Pick just one of these exercises, the one that spoke to you most, and do a few times. Tomorrow, add another. In a week, you'll be doing them all naturally. And remember, every move you make is a vote of confidence in your future. It's you saying, I deserve to feel good. I deserve to have energy. I deserve to stay independent. If this video awakened something in you, if you felt that energy returning just by doing these moves with me, then share this knowledge with someone you love, because information this powerful deserves to be shared. Subscribe to the channel to follow more discoveries about active aging, and let me know in the comments which of these exercises you're starting today. I'm excited to hear how you'll feel in just a few days. After all, science shows us that maintaining mobility and muscle strength is key for health and well-being in later life. Frailty, often associated with aging, can be significantly reduced with regular exercise, even simple ones done at home. Many studies prove the effectiveness of low-impact exercises in improving quality of life for older adults, positively impacting cardiovascular function, muscle strength, balance, and independence. But it's not only about the physical. Mental health plays a fundamental role as well. Regular practice of these activities can boost self-esteem, reduce stress and anxiety, and promote better sleep. Just imagine how strengthening your leg muscles can contribute to your daily safety, reducing the risk of falls and fractures. And the impact on your independence? Think about the freedom of continuing to do the things you love without relying on others. Discover more benefits. Subscribe, comment, and like for exclusive access to scientific studies that prove these results. Your journey to a more active and healthy life begins now. Don't let age limit you. Your body is capable of much more than you imagine. In this video, we unveil the truth about physical activity after 55 years old, showing that the secret isn't grueling workouts but smart, consistent movements. We presented 5 simple yet powerful exercises that actively work the circulation of your second heart, the calf muscles, naturally regulate blood pressure, strengthen independence muscles, build endurance, and improve posture. Remember, consistency is the key. 5 minutes a day is more effective than one long, sporadic session. Every movement is an investment in your future, a statement that you deserve well-being, energy, and autonomy. Did you feel the energy flow as we did the exercises together? Your body responded positively to the activation of circulation and muscle strengthening. Don't underestimate the power of these small daily gestures. They are the foundation of a more active and independent life in older age, scientifically proven to reduce frailty and improve quality of life. Share this knowledge and subscribe for more discoveries about active aging. Discover more benefits. Subscribe, comment, and like for exclusive access to scientific studies that prove these results. So what's your choice? Continue with a heavy, limited body, or embrace a new reality of vitality and well-being. The first step to a more active life begins now, and science is on your side to prove it. Don't waste more time. Start today